You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? French geologist, name pronunciation, periodic table classification, geologist, mineralogist. Alright, so let's break down the pronunciation in French. In France, the way people would say it in France: Alexandre-Émile Béguyer de Chancourtois. I know it's a mouthful, but alright, let's pronounce it in French completely now. Alexandre-Émile Béguyer de Chancourtois. So, in English, you can say it if you cannot pronounce French very well. Alexandre-Émile Béguyer de Chancourtois. Alexandre-Émile Béguyer de Chancourtois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.